Now, manufacturers and partners can work together better and more efficiently on injection molded parts. Siemens NX Mold Connect enables instant collaboration for fast quotes, collaborative design feedback, and better quality production parts. It's an easy-to-use browser-based app that runs in the cloud, so there's no IT infrastructure to set up or manage. And that means you can run NX Mold Connect on any device, anywhere, at any time. And so can your entire team and your partners and tooling vendors. Plus, if you're an existing NX desktop software user, you can seamlessly share data and designs between NX and NX Mold Connect. Getting started is easy. Just visit the website, set up a trial account, and you're off and running. Once you see how it speeds and simplifies the process of designing and collaborating on injection molded parts, simply purchase NX Mold Connect from the Siemens Digital Exchange and notify your partners. And before you know it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Don't wait. Get started today.